Hello everybody, welcome to Emma Bobbins. I am Emma and this is my channel where we talk about all things cross stitch. So today we're on to my favourite season of the year. I only have 9 patterns in this category, but it's my favourite season. Look, I've even got the Halloween Horror Nights t-shirt and everything. It's Halloween. This is Halloween! Yes, this is my spooky wish list. Anyone that doesn't know what Halloween Horror Nights is, it's an event that Universal Studios put on at both Hollywood and their Orlando parks. I'm pretty sure they have something similar in Japan, not sure about Singapore. Separate ticketed event. There's like scare actors they call them, so they roam around the park in different sections. They have lots of different themed kind of like haunted houses that you walk through, so I'll show you. Okay, whatever was on this year, I know that, was it The Walking Dead was on this one? I'm not sure. I can't even see if I'm showing you the actual back of it, but anyway. That was all the houses at this year, so this is a t-shirt from 26, which would have been 2016. I love the event, it was great. But we're not here to talk about all that, we're here to talk about spooky patterns. So, by the way, if you're seeing these videos like back to back to back, or maybe you're like watching them as they come out and you're like, Emma, you haven't changed your clothes. I'm filming them all on the same day, okay? There's this magical thing called editing and not releasing videos as soon as you know, record them. Magic. I know. Shh, don't tell. It's a secret. First up is actually a really recent addition. It is a Sugar Skull pattern by the Stitch Patterns. Now, I love anything to do with Day of the Dead, so the skull is just like Coco-esque. I've never seen Coco actually, it's really disappointing in me. I just love the vibrancy of all the colours, and you know, celebrating the dead is probably a little bit strange to some people, but I actually kind of agree with it. Like, you have to celebrate the lives that have been lived some way. I'm not going to pretend like I'm an expert in what happens Day of the Dead, but that's a very bottom line gist that I've got of it, so yeah, really love that. I should probably do more research actually into that. The next few patterns will show, like, I've got an obsession now with really cute ghosts. So this next one is Flower Ghost by TourmalinePattern. It's adorable! Oh, he's just looking at this little butterfly and he's like, wow, what is that? And it's adorable. So again, these are kind of like smaller designs. I'm trying to break myself out of this habit of buying really big patterns that take me forever to finish. I would like to have a good mix of stuff that I can go after that is like small and that I finish a little bit more quickly, not really like long term projects. So these are perfect for that kind of thing. The next one is 2 little ghosties eating pizza. I mean, it's perfect. This is by MamaWitchXStitch. I love the little design around the outside. It's like they're having a little garden party, like eating the pizza. Just adorable. Like, how could you say no to those faces? And I absolutely love MamaWitchXStitch designs. They're just adorable. I love the kind of like, what would you even call that? I don't know. Oh my god. I just found another pattern by MamaWitchXStitch and it's like a ghost sitting on their phone on the toilet. So funny. Anyway, that's not the one we're talking about here. The next one is a little ghost and I think he's on a mushroom and I think he's picking a strawberry from a vine. His little cheeks are all flushed and oh, he's just so cute. I think I might pick up some of these patterns maybe for Halloween time and just get myself really in the spooky mood. Next up we have the Haunted Halloween Shop by CrossStitchCuriosity. I love the colour of this Ada. I don't know if it's computer generated. I think it might be. If we can get like that colour of Ada, I am down for this. I say it all the time, but oh, it would look so good with some metallics just like sprinkled in there. Just chef's kiss, amazing. I love the little ghosts like outside waiting, hanging around, you know. Oh, I just love it. It's so cool. And then on to the next one, someone that you all probably will know, Always Halloween by Katejblandford. It's always Halloween in my soul. I'm wearing the t-shirt in February, like of course it's always Halloween in my soul. I love the colours on this, it's really simple, it's just really effective actually, and I think that's what Kate really excels in, having quite simple but effective patterns. And I think that's why her designs have become quite popular, because they're very nice and very simple. If you're maybe a beginner trying to get into cross stitch, maybe look at some of Kate's designs, because just looking through her Etsy page there are some on there that are just really simple, 2, 3, 4 colours max, really accessible for people to get into, and she has loads of accessories too and I love them, but that's for a different video. Cross stitch accessories will be a different video. Next on the list we have this amazing little really simple bookmark which has just got lots of little ghosts on it. So this is more Blackwork actually than cross stitch, and I have done a Blackwork design before. It was a Jurassic Park pattern. This is by PatchyAtBestCo. PatchyAtBestCo is where I got the Jurassic Park design from, and you'll also see in the TV and movie category video that I do that's on my wish list. There are some more on there, so I really enjoyed working on the design for Jurassic Park. Yes, I love this. I don't really read physical books all that much. It would actually make a really nice gift, or like a just in case I do actually read a book at some point in time. And on to the next one is another Stitchrovia design. So this is called A Little Magic. Everything is better with a little magic. This really reminded me of Hocus Pocus, and I don't know why. There's just something Hocus Pocusy about it, and I loved Hocus Pocus and I still do. It's just an incredible movie. Cult classic. Is it even a cult classic? Could you even call it that? Everything is better with a little bit of magic. Okay, and the last one, you could maybe probably argue this shouldn't really be in this category, but it's ghosts, and this is a Valentine's Day set of 5 patterns. Yeah, I would argue it kind of belongs in the spooky bucket, you know, because it's ghosts. Just because they have love hearts and love cakes and very cute jumper. I've never seen a ghost with a jumper on before. Oh, you're adorable. I would love to do some of those designs. Again, they look really good on black, and small designs as well, which I'm loving at the moment, but I can't actually physically get myself to do anything that's small. These are by OhMyStitchesShop, and that rounds out the spooky wish list. Let me know which one was your favourite, or anything like this that you maybe need to influence me to go and have a look at and maybe buy and add to my wish list. Then please do let me know in the comments below or on Instagram. That's us. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great week, day, whatever it may be whenever you're watching this, and I will catch you next time. Bye! Love you! Bye! Hello everybody! Take another screenshot.